Updating your vehicle details on Cuvva is a straightforward process that ensures your insurance coverage remains accurate. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Vehicle Details. Once logged in, find the section labeled My Vehicles or Vehicle Details. This section typically contains all of the information related to your insured vehicles. Step 3. Select the vehicle to update. Choose the vehicle you wish to update from your list. Click on it to view the current details and options for editing. Step 4. Edit vehicle information. Look for an option to edit or update the vehicle details. Make the necessary changes, such as updating the model, registration number, or any other relevant information. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new vehicle details are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily keep your vehicle information up to date on Cuvva. Regular updates help ensure that your insurance coverage is accurate and effective.